In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a FundedNext account. Now, once you're inside app.fundednext.com, over here you can see accounts at the very top left, and these are basically all your accounts right now. I have a general account and then the free trial account. However, if you actually want to buy a new FundedNext account, you want to go ahead and click on Start Challenge down here at the very bottom, or click up here, and this is going to take you over here where you can basically choose the best plan or choose one of your accounts. So over here, you have a Stellar 2-step, Stellar 1-step, Stellar Lite, and then you have the Stellar Instant. So, of course, you can basically use any of these over here for CFDs or for futures. This is completely up to you. And then once you select the one that you'd like, simply click on Get Plan. So if you'd like to, for example, buy the account for 6,000, so this is the 6,000 account size, you can click on Get Plan over here, and you can see the fee over here. And then you can have to select your platform, so either MetaTrader 4 or 5, CTrader or MatchTrader, so this is completely up to you. And then here you have to select your swap type, and then you have to select the add-ons, which of course can be customized, so this is completely up to you. And then after that, you have to agree to their terms of service, and then here you have to click on Get Started. It's going to show you your payable amount over here. If you have a code, you can apply it over here, but then you have to select a payment method. These are all the ones that are available, and whenever you select it, you have to basically pay, and you've successfully bought your FundedNext account, the one that you basically selected over here on this plan's dashboard you were able to see earlier. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.